Another year, another GoPro, another reason to empty your wallet. But do you really need to be shooting footage at 5.3K at 240 frames per second, or do you just need to hit record? So the new action cameras have come out and everybody's screaming about 10-bit color, new sensors, Wi-Fi 6 and Horizon Lock 2.0. Better stabilization, Horizon Lock, cool, but if your shots look like they're filmed in an earthquake, maybe you should learn to hold the camera before upgrading to a new one. Bigger battery life. That could actually come in handy. But seriously, 5.3K at 240 frames per second, what are you trying to do, film planet Earth? Your audience is most likely watching on their phone. Look, I love action cameras. I've got the GoPro 10 Hero Black, I've got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI Mini mic, but I'm not going to be upgrading my camera equipment until I get to 100,000 subscribers, because it's not the camera that's holding me back. It's what I say, how I say it, and how I edit it. And maybe that's what's holding you back too. Do you want to tell them, or shall I tell them? Stop gear shopping and stop obsessing over specs. The honest truth is that you've probably got better camera equipment than your favorite YouTubers had when they started. The only difference is that they consistently made videos and you're not. It's all about the content, not the fancy angles, not the fancy cameras, not the fancy lenses or how you shoot it. Yeah, all those things do make a difference, but seriously, people will keep coming back to your videos because they love your content and they resonate with your video. So do me a favor, grab the camera, head outside, film something, and then tell me you did it in the comments, and I'll go take a look and give it a like. The next upgrade you need isn't the new GoPro, it's in fact the next upload. Cheerio!